Hi, hello, good day sir and madam. I'm Desiree Arevalo, Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have 2 children and I'm married. My husband is working as a laborer. I have 1 brother and 3 sisters. I am third in the family. I am a college graduate. My degree is a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I have worked before as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and car washing. I can cook Filipino food like pork and chicken adobo, fried chicken, and menudo and calderita. And I am willing how to learn to cook Chinese food. I love taking care of children. I can give nutritious foods on time. I take them bath every day. I give them vitamins, medicines prescribed by the doctor, bring them to school, tutoring sometimes and playing with them, and I love them as my own children. Sir and Madam, please hire me and I promise that I will finish my contract and I work with you as long as you need me. I am hardworking, dedicated, flexible, and I'm willing to learn if you have tasks that you will give me. Sir and Madam, if you will hire me, I will do my duties and responsibilities. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you, Sir and Madam.